Hello guys, welcome back to KSDTechno space. In today's video, we are going to discuss about another data type, that's another scalar data type, that is called Boolean. A Boolean is a logical data type. Boolean data type enables you to represent logical values. The Oracle RDBMS does not support the Boolean data type, so you need to create a table with a column of data type character 1 or varchar 2 1 and store value as a y or n in that column to indicate true or false. It means it represents either true or false and mainly used in conditional statement. Values need not enclose within a quote while assigning for this data types. So what will be the syntax for this one? Variable and then boolean. So let's see how we can do this one. As usual, our begin statement, declare one L underscore var one boolean. So this is the declaration part. Okay, and let's declare one more variable, say var2 varchar2 1. Okay, and let's assign one value as a y. So let's see with the example L underscore var1. Let's assign this one as a true. So you have to assign values, that is a true or false, without quote. So let's see if var2 n, then so if it L underscore var2 equal to y. Okay, so here I am comparing with n, so it is not true. Let's assign here false, else it is true. dbms underscore out put dot put line. Remember one thing, that boolean expression you cannot print, so just have to write one simple it is false, like that way. And here we need to true, put here we need to put true, so it is true. Let's see what is the output. So output, it is true, means varchar2 is not equal to n, is equal to y, so it came into this one. Another way is currently the value of varchar1 is true. So let's see if is then. So this way you can use it in the code. You can put here dbms set true. So put just to identify different way. So now see, true and it's true one. Another part also you can see, if it's not true, then put it here. If not, then put here false. Currently it's a true, so it is not giving this false, but you can do it by assigning false here. So let's assign the false, and now let's see. Now we got true, then I have assigned false, so it came false. So this is how we can utilize this Boolean expression in the code. I hope you understood the concept of the Boolean expression. So let's see next data type in the next video. Till then, take care.